Class 10 physics. In that we have seen the lens formula. Lens formula is 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u, whereas magnification for this lens formula is height of the image by height of the object. Here it is plus v by u, whereas in mirror it is minus v by u. Whereas in case of sign conventions, if you see, in sign conventions, the points I told you, whereas if we apply where it is a concave mirror, convex lens, for convex lens, focal length is positive, whereas concave lens, focal length is negative. Like mirrors, in mirror also convex mirror, focal length is positive. Convex mirror focal length is positive, and convex lens focal length is also positive. So if you compare both, you can remember it without confusion. The concave lens focal length is negative, whereas concave mirror also focal length negative. Based on the mirror formula, if we solve, sorry, lens formula, if we solve the numericals, few questions, sample few questions will solve here. Later remaining all you need to practice. Well, problems on mirror formula, sorry, lens formula. If you see the question, you copy. A convex lens has a focal length of 10 centimeters. The question is of convex lens. The focal length is of 10 centimeters. Convex lens has a focal length of 10 centimeters. If the image produced by it is 15 centimeters behind the optical center of lens, if the image produced by it is 15 centimeters behind the optical center, the image which is formed is 15 centimeters behind the lens. So image distance is given as 15 centimeters. Determine the distance at which the object is placed. He is asking determine the distance at which object is placed. That means u he is asking us to find, and also magnification produced. So the focal length of the convex lens is given as 10 centimeters. Image is found at a distance of 15 centimeters behind the lens. Determine the position where the object is placed, that is u, and he is also asking us to find the magnification. Since this is a question based on convex lens, by applying the focal length, so sign convention, the focal length of the convex lens is positive, so I have to take this as plus 10 centimeters. Object distance you need to find. You need to get this object distance as negative. Object distance is always negative. If you get this as positive, you need to know that you have done something wrong. U should be always negative when you calculate or when you take it in the question if it is given us. Magnification also we have to find. If we use, since it's a lens question, we have to apply the lens formula. It is 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Putting the values, f equals 1 by f equals 1 by 10, that is equals 1 by v given as 15 minus 1 by u. So we need to find the value of u. So make this u as a subject and send this 15 on this side. You will get 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15 equals to minus 1 by u. So that 15 and 10 LCM 30. Divide 10 3 times minus 15 2 times, so minus 2, that equals to minus 1 by u. 3 minus 2, we will be getting it as 1 by 30 equals to minus 1 by u. Taking reciprocal on both sides, we will get u as minus 30 centimeters. So the object should be placed at a distance of 30 centimeters from the optical center of lens on the left side. This negative sign indicates that it is on the left side. If it is positive, it is on plus 30. So we asked us to find the object distance. Where the object is placed, object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters from the optical center of lens on left side. That is because negative sign. Even we have to find the magnification. If you find the magnification, the formula for here, height of the image or height of the object, about that nothing is given. If something is given, we should have used here h dash by h. But we don't know the height of the object, and even he is not asking us to find the height of the image. So we use the formula of magnification. For the lens, it is m equals to v by u, because v is given, u we found. So this will be easy to find. Magnification, v is given as 15, For u is given as minus 30 we got. So minus 1 by 2 you will be getting. So magnification is minus 0.5. Magnification won't have any unit. That is because it is the ratio of same quantities, height by height. Height of the image by height of the object. So the magnification is the ratio of the same things. That's why it won't have say any unit. So we'll be writing just as a magnitude minus 0.5. Negative sign of the magnification indicates that it is a real and inverted image. We see one more question based on this lens formula. Make a note of the question. What will be the image distance? What will be the image distance if an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters? The other question, the numerical for the lens formula. The question is, what will be the image distance if an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters before a concave lens of focal length 10 centimeters? Object distance he gave, that is a 30 centimeters. Object distance is always negative, so I am taking it as minus 30. Focal length is given as 10 centimeters. Where the image form that he is asking us to find. Focal length of concave lens. Focal length of convex lens is positive. Focal length of concave lens is negative. Convex lens is positive. Concave lens is negative. So I am taking focal length as minus 10 centimeters. He is asking us to find where the image will be formed. That is V. Image. See now. In lens formula we have three things. F, U, V. Focal length, image distance, object distance. Here you see object distance and focal length is given. They is asking you to find the image distance. The height of the object is given. He will ask you to find the height of the image. If we solve this by using lens formula, every time you write this given part, this carries half mark. Writing formula also will give you half. So write formula even if you following also 1 by f equals to minus 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by focal length is given to us as minus 10. That equals to 1 by v. We need to find minus 1 by u. U is given to us minus 30. So I'll take this as minus 30. So on simplification, 1 by minus 10 will become minus 1 by 10. That equals to 1 by v minus into minus plus that becomes 1 by 30. So since we have to find the value of v, make this as a subject, send this 1 by 30 on the other side, you will get this as minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 30, that equals to 1 by v. 10 and 30, LCM we need to take, it will become 30. So on simplifying this, LCM of this will become 30. That equals to 1 by v. So 10 3 times, so minus 3. Again we have in between minus 30 once. It will become minus 4 by 30 but 1 by v. Simplifying that, you will get and taking the reciprocal. V equals to, simplifying the value 2 to 15, so we will be getting it as minus 2 by 15 is equals to 1 by v. So on simplification, we will be getting it as, the LCM of these two will be 30. So we will be getting it as minus 3 and minus 1. So that becomes minus 4 by 30. That is equals to 1 by 4. 1 by v, 2 goes to 15. So you will be getting minus 2 by 15 equals to 1 by v. Taking the reciprocal on the other both sides, you will get as minus 2 by 15 will become 15 by 2. The negative sign will be always there. V equals to minus 15 by 2. That means minus 7.5 centimeters. So the image will be formed at a distance of 7.5 centimeters on the left side of the lens. For the concave lens, the other one is for the convex lens. The numericals based on the mirror formula and lens formula we have to solve. Only one formula, one problem on the convex lens, one problem on the concave lens I explained. You need to solve more questions based on these numericals, mirror formula and lens formula. Compulsory you will get a question. From this chapter, light reflection and refraction, mirror formula, lens formula, at least one question definitely will get in exam. So give more importance for the numericals in this chapter, mirror formula, lens formula, and based on this only one topic is left with one video. This chapter will be done. The concept of power, if I explain, the chapter is done. So practice, even I'll send a worksheet also when once it is over. As a homework, you solve any 5 questions, 2 from mirror formula, 3 from lens formula, Q division, that is by yourself. You solve any 5 problems so that